Pretty Bird flock. Pretty Bird's in a tub. She's so excited. Hi, Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird, what are you doing? Are you playing? Okay, I'm soaking Mama. I'm splashing Mama. What are you doing? Are you okay? Did that not work out quite as well as you planned? Whoopsie. Hi. Ah. You trying to splash your flock? Good bird. Oh, it's so pretty. Pretty Bird, are you gonna play? Are you playing? Are you playing in the tub? Are you playing in the tub? Oh, Pretty Bird loves swimming. Yep, Mama's getting a shower. Hold on, y'all. Let me clean the screen here. Sorry, have to clean the screen. Pretty Bird's splashing us. Hey! Pretty Bird, are you having fun? Are you having fun? Hi, say hi everybody. Wet. Good thing they make phones waterproof now. Right, Pretty Bird? And yes, I filled the bathtub all the way to the edge so Pretty Bird can dive and swim as much as possible. We can dry the lake in the bathroom later. Ah! Where'd you go, Pretty Bird? Hi! What are you doing, you silly goose? Alright, I think you have enough water now, honey. All done? There you go, Goose Goose. Ah! We're getting splashed. Pretty Bird, are you playing? Are you playing? Are you having fun? Play, 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 Pretty Bird. She got so excited. She heard me make a bath. The minute the water turns on, she was like honking, ready to get in the bath. That's Pretty Bird. She loves her baths. Can't believe it's been this long since I've made a video of Pretty Bird being silly in a tub. Right, Pretty Bird? Yeah. See, you don't have a kiddie pool like George, but you have a garden tub. That works too. Pretty Bird loves it. It'd be so cool though if Arizona and North Woods would be closer together. Because then it'd be fun to see George and Pretty Bird play. Wouldn't that be fun, huh, Pretty Bird? I wonder how you would react to him in person. Since you've been basically... Since you've been basically watching him since you were like, what? I don't know, 4 months old? 3 months old? Yes. We've been George fans for a long time, huh, Pretty Bird? Pretty Bird! Hi, Pretty. What are you doing? I'm busy. I'm in the tub. Pretty bird, you coming? Come here. Come here. Nope. Come here. Come here. Hi, baby. Oh, there's my good girl. That's Mama's baby. Oh, pretty bird. Are you playing? Are you so happy? Are you so happy? Oh, Mama's good girl. Okay, got it. I'll back off. She's like, leave me alone. I'm in the tub. I'm getting pretty. I'm telling you guys, we have a pretty decent sized bathroom. And her splashes get, like, really full. My phone is dripping. So, excuse the quick blackout. Nope. And she resplashed it. Is that better? Yep. Okay, we focusing. No, pretty bird, we're lucky to make these phones waterproof, huh? Pretty bird, you keep getting the camera wet. Not focusing, Goose Goose. There you go. She's having so much fun flapping her wings in the water. Right, pretty bird? Are you playing? Are you playing? You're so silly. Are you a silly goose? Are you a silly goose? Ah! I'm dripping. Pretty bird soaking mama. Pretty bird! What are you doing? Huh? Boop, boop, boop. Oh, big bird in a tub. Big bird in a tub. Look. Rubber ducky, you're the one. What do y'all think about my rubber ducky? That's my rubber ducky right here. And yes, this rubber ducky does come in a shower with me sometimes. But just to like hang out and play in a bathing suit. Me, that is. Sometimes we hang out, right, pretty bird? What? Are you already done? Oh, big bird! Big bird! Hi, Goose Goose. Hi, honey. Hi. Are you coming to check? Hi, baby. Are you all pretty now? Oh, you're so pretty. Yes, Mama loves a pretty bird. Oh, pretty, pretty. Oh, pretty, pretty. She's like, hold on, I gotta rinse a little more. Oh, play, play. Yay, pretty bird, swimming. Pretty bird swimming, yay. Big bird. So pretty. You say hi to everybody. Say hi. Hi, pretty bird. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, pretty bird. What you doing, honey? Oh, Mama gonna help you clean up. Pretty bird, are you all pretty now? Are you all done? Are you all done? Hmm? Pretty bird all done now. Hmm? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Mama loves a pretty. Mama loves a pretty. Can I get some lovin's? You playing? Hi. Hi. Where you going, Goose Goose? Where you going? She's like, fine, I'll keep cleaning them. Anyway, Pretty Bird's still doing good. She's still nice and healthy. Look at those big wings. And still got a little bit of an attitude with the spring. But she's obviously a good girl. And I figured you guys might enjoy her taking a bath while I get drowned over here. Alright, Mama will help you. Mama will pick you up. It's okay. I'll help you out. Oh, thank you. Pretty. Oh, pretty. Oh, pretty. You ready to get dried? Alright, can you say bye-bye to your friends? Say bye, everybody. Alrighty, you guys. If you, as always, if you enjoyed this video, you know you're gonna come back. She's too cute not to. So you might as well give us the subscription. Push that subscribe button. Right, Goose Goose? So they need to subscribe, right? So you can show them how pretty you are all the time. And how goofy and silly you are, huh? Silly goose. Anyways, if you enjoyed that video and this video, then do push that button, subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. This is a great distraction, great little break from everything going on in the world. And also, do leave us a like if you enjoyed it. And if you have any thoughts, you are welcome to leave a comment or a suggestion. And leave us your opinion or anything you'd like to say. Obviously within the YouTube rules. Right, Goose Goose? Yeah. See, we only ask that people are polite. Right? We're just trying to have a good time. Right, Goose Goose? Yeah. So, alright, everybody. Don't forget to share and subscribe and like and comment. Goose Goose. Where you going? Say bye-bye. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Cuckoo. Are you coming? You coming? Are you all done? Are you coming? Up. What? Up. Are you coming? Come on, Goose. Up. See? She knows what up means. Anyways, guys, I'm going to help her now. Bye.